Today's chapter is MNC interview asked question. Only 10 questions today. Next will be in next episode. So first question I am started. What is Angular? Angular is a TypeScript based front-end framework. Its most important, Angular is a framework developed by Google for building single-page application. It helps create dynamic, scalable, and maintainable web application. Okay. Now second is, what is component in Angular? A component is the main building block of an Angular application. It contains HTML template, TypeScript class, and CSS style. And third question is, what is data binding? Data binding is most important in Angular. Data binding connect component data with the HTML template. First is interpolation, and second is property binding, and third is event binding, and fourth most important, two-way data binding. And the next question is, what is dependency injection? Dependency injection is a design pattern used to provide service to components. In short, we can say inject dependencies from other sources rather than create itself. What is the benefit of the dependency injection? So first is reusable code, and second is loose coupling, and third is easy testing. Then next question is directive. So what is directive? Directives change the DOM behavior. There are two type of directives. First is a structural directive, and second is attribute directive. In first directive, that is structural, change DOM structure. For example, ngIf, ng4, ng-switch. And attribute directives changes element appearance. For example, ng-class and ng-style. And next important is Angular lifecycle. There are 8 types of lifecycle hooks, but here is 4 most important lifecycle hooks. First is ng on init, second is ng on changes, third ng after view in init, and fourth is ng on destroy. So ng on init runs when component initialize, ng on changes runs when input changes, and ng after view in init runs after view loads. ng on destroy clean up before component destroyed. Clear? And after that, RxJS. RxJS is a library used for reactive programming with observables. Why use RxJS? So RxJS used for HTTP calls, event handlings, and data streams. What is observable and promise? So observable can be multiple values, it can be cancelable, and promise is not. Promise has single, reject, or fulfill. It is not cancelable, and it is lazy. And what is lazy loading? Lazy loading loads modules only when needed, and it improves performance. So we can use load children to implement lazy loading. What is change detection? Change detection updates the DOM when data changes. Two types of change detection. First is default, and second is on push. On push change detection is used for better performance. And here is change detection syntax to use. Change detection strategy dot on push. And here is again one question. What are pipes? Pipes transform data in templates. For example, there is date, name. We can change uppercase, lowercase, and we can also create custom pipe. Okay, so first setup question is done. We will continue in second setup question. Do like, share, and subscribe. Till then, tata, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.